Hi children, we are starting the lesson again. In our previous lesson, I can remember we did sets. We started on sets, new lesson, and we did finite sets, then infinite sets, and equal sets and equivalent sets. Today we are continuing with the sets lesson, and we are going to do subsets. We'll take an example. We'll say P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. The elements of P is 2, 3, 5, 7. And we'll say Q is equal to 2, 3, 5. Now if you look carefully, you will notice that all the elements of Q is in P. Therefore we say that Q is a subset of P. So, and we write this as Q is subset of P. Lots of symbols are there in sets. You know about that. We studied last time. We studied elements, and today we are going to study subset. Subset is this sign. So Q is a subset of P. If we have another Q R is equal to, we'll say 5 and 7. So 5 is also there, 7 is also there. So we say R is a subset of P. You can write this way also. R like this. R is a subset of P, where the mouth is for the big set. So that is one we are writing. And supposing we have another set like this. S is equal to, we'll say 1, 2, 3. Now if we notice the 2 and 3 are there in set P, but 1 is not there. So we can't say that S is a subset of P. So we write it as S is not a subset of P. Not a subset means we write this subset and then we cross it off. Same way, if it is an element and not an element also, we studied earlier, we write like this, not an element. So subset, not a subset. All those 4 signs we have studied. Right. Now supposing we have we'll say X is equal to 3, 5. Now we have to find out, supposing you are asked to write all the subsets of X. If you are going to write all the subsets of X, we can write like this. 1. 3 is the subset. 2. 5 is the subset. Then 3. 3, 5 is also a subset we take. And we also take empty set. Empty set as a subset. So all the subsets of X, that is 2 elements, means we have altogether 4 subsets. That is actually coming as 2 to the power of 2. This 2 is always there. Number of elements is 2. So 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. So you can calculate the number of elements. This is not in the given in the book, but you can this is the rule there. So 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Supposing we have another set, we have 3, 5, we'll say 8. X is 3, 5, 8. Then if we write down all the elements of all the subsets of the X, which is coming to 3 elements, we have 3 the subject, 5, 8. Then 3, 5, 5, 8, 3, 8. And 3, 5, 8. 8. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. An empty set. So altogether we have 8 subsets when it is 3. So it is coming to as 2 to the power of 3, that is equal to 8. So always 2 and 3 is the number of elements. So in any set, we will say M is equal to 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, like that. So we write down how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So subsets will be 2 to the power of 5, that is equal to 32. So that is how we calculate the subsets. So if you are asked to write down subsets of 3 elements, this is how you write. You write 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 5, 8, 3, 8, 3, 5, 8, and empty set. Next we come to universal set. Now what is a universal set? Universal set is the total, the big set. For example, we have odd numbers. Odd numbers. We have even numbers. We have square numbers. All their sets. We have triangular numbers. Now all these numbers are formed into one universal set. What is the universal set? We can say universal set is the integers. Because all these are coming under numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to any amount. So odd numbers, even numbers, all these come into this group. So we say integers is the universal set for this. If we take another example, supposing in a school we have cricket team. Cricket team. We'll say the literary society. And then primary section. Primary section. Now all these form into one school. We say the children in a school. Children in a school will come into the universal set for this will be children in a school. Like that you can have any number of, you can take a garden. And we'll say coconut trees, there are mango trees, arecanut trees, all types of trees, fruit trees like that. So you can write all those elements and then write down the universal set for that will be trees in a garden. The same way they are given example of numbers on a die. Die, you know, die is the game that we play, the six-sided cube, which is where each side is numbered like this. So it has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we take subsets of this, we'll say even numbers. Even numbers in a die. Odd numbers in a die. We can say numbers less than 4. And so numbers less than 4. So all these numbers in a die will become to the universal set will be numbers on a die. This is the aim that they are given in the book. So that's all for you to go through. So now let us go to exercise 22.2. First question they have told, write down all the subsets of the set A, 2, 5, 8, 10, 13. A is equal to 2, 5, 8, 10, 13. This is a set, and you are asked to write the 8. They are asked to write 8 subjects. 8 subjects. So 8 you can just do 2, 5, 2, 5. You can take 2, 5 as one set. 8 as you can take one set. 10 as one set. 10 and 13 as another set, and go on like that, and you can get 8 subjects easily. Second question comes to determine whether each of the following elements is true or not. There are 5 sections. First one they have told 1, 2, 3 is a subset of numbers divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. 1, 2, 3. And now are these numbers divisible by 5? So they are not divisible by 5. So first one is actually false. Second one, 4, 9, 16, subset of square numbers. 4, 9, 16, subset of square numbers. So second one is correct, true. 4, 9, 16. Third one, cylinder is the subset of polygons. No, polygons come to as triangle, rectangle, pentagon, all those are polygons. So cylinder is not coming to, so these are all the false. Then next one, red is the color of the rainbow. Yes, true. Red, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, all those are colors of the rainbow. Then last one we have 2x minus 1 equals 7, subset is even numbers. 2x minus 1 equals 7. The solution is even number. Solution is an even number. So we will find out the solution of this. Solution of this will be 2x equals 7 plus 1, 2x equals 8, x is equal to 4. So, solution is an even number. So, this is true. So, in these ones, 1, 2, 3 are numbers divisible by 5. So, first one is false, second one is true because these are square numbers, third one is false, fourth one is true, the red is the color of the rainbow, fifth one is solution set. Okay, look at the question number 3. Write a universal set for A, where A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So, A, E, I, O, U are letters of the English alphabet. So, universal set can be letters of the English alphabet. English alphabet, you can say. English alphabet. Look at the next one. For each of the following parts, name a suitable universal set such that the given sets are subset. First one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, one set, 10, 50, 10, 100,000. So, all those sums form under multiples of 5. First one, universal set. Second one, countries with more than 90% literacy, countries which have not bordered by an ocean. So, the countries, you can say countries of the world, they all come into this group. Third one, January, February, March, April, August, months with 31 days, months during which members of your family celebrate their celebration. So, you can say third one is months of the year. So, these are the 3 universal for this. That is exercise 22.2. That's all for today, children. I hope you have understood the lesson. Please subscribe if you understood.